Alright, now where are we?
What? How am I supposed to know? I didn't know crap about the other places we've been.
Did you hear that?
If you're referring to the obnoxious sound of your voice, yes, loud and clear.
Not that, that.
Aerial attack! I go left, you go right.
How about I go that way?
Oh, come on! Look how short he is. I mean...